Let us discuss our last problem statement, that is weight and measure. Its popularity rate is C and success rate is average. Level is 3. So I would like to read out the first paragraph. The turtle named Mark, to avoid being cracked by enlist your advice as the order in which the turtle should be stacked to form a yetl, the tournament thrown. Each of the 5,607 turtles ordered by Yetl has a different weight and strength. Your task is to build the largest stack of a turtle as possible. So depending upon the weight and strength of the turtle, our task is to build the largest stack as possible in the tournament. So let us see what we have. The standard input. The standard input consisting of several lines, each containing a pair of integers separated by one or more space character, specifying the weight and strength of the turtle. So each line will contain a pair of integers separated by one or more space character, means 300 is weight and 1000 is the strength. The strength is also in gram, is the turtle's overall carrying capacity including its own weight. So strength is in grams, its overall capacity including its weight. That is, a turtle weight is 300 gram with a strength of 1000 gram can carry 700 gram of turtle on its back. There are at most 5,607 turtles. Output. So your output is a single integer indicating the maximum number of turtles that can be stacked without exceeding the strength of anyone. So you need to return the number of turtles that can be stacked without exceeding the strength of anyone. So I have simplified it. That can help you to write your program. So this is our input. As you can see, this is weight, 300, 1000, 200, hundreds are weight. The turtle whose weight is 300, its strength is 1000, and likewise remaining are enlisted. 3 is nothing but the maximum number of turtles that can be stacked. So here the simplest way we can go through is that sort by its strength. Sort this array by its strength. So 100 weight having strength 101, 600, 1000 and 121. Now compare the weight one by one, that is 100 plus 101 should be less than 600. Yes, it is possible. Then the length of stack will be 2. Means I am comparing the weights and strength of the first turtle with the strength of the second turtle. If it is less, then we are having 2 in our stack. If it is more, then we are having 1 as a maximum stack. So it is less, so the length of our stack will be 2. Again, the next turtle strength in a row is 1000. So what we are going to do, we are going to again sum up, add 100 plus 101 plus 600 should be less than 1000. That is, if it is less, then the total length of the stack will be 3. Likewise, we are going to go for fourth turtle, that is having its strength as 1200. It should be less. If it is less, then our stack length will be 4, but it is not less, so our stack length is 3. And here you are having the output as 3.